Tarkan and Andrew are on that bus, heading our way back to town. That's kind of creepy. The aim is to look like Aidan Pierce from Watch Dogs, mixed with like a Marcus, what's his name, like Holloway or something. Oh, that's the bus going from Watch Dogs 2. Anyway, I'm heading home, and it's like 9:30. Well, actually, I'll tell you what, we'll see the bus pass here. I'll stop and do that first. Ugh. Bloody smell that. Right. I can see the headlights, I think. I'll stand completely still when I see it. Okay, it's still going up the road. Still going up the road. Getting near the top. Come on. I'm not going to keep going up the road. Come on. Here we go. Oh, there we go. So that was awkward. Wait. I'm sorry, I've taken that bus before and I've had to try and beat it around the corner. I beat it by about 5 minutes, but is it not even here yet? Oh, I can hear it. There it is. Wonder if they were filming that. Oh, I'm home now. Had a good night out with the lads. And now I'm sweating because somebody shut my window and I'm exhausted. I'm going out to the loo, get under my duvet, obviously push it a bit off because I'm roasting. Just make sure my window's open. What time does that say? Oh my god, that does not say 3:25. Oh, it does. Oh my god. God, even the sky starting to light up. It doesn't look like that for you guys, but it very much looks bright to me. In the editor, I'll try and improve that to show you what I see. Oh, I'm going to bed. Aidan Pierce, Watchdog. Brilliant disguise, but then again, not so brilliant. There's his boss. Hi, Andrew. Good boy. He's decided to sit on me. He never does that. That's cute. Even got the cat down there as well. I've got Misty. Misty's there. Mother's here. And I'm here. I've got a problem. I've not been anywhere. I've not got any content. I'm a bit screwed for the next like 2 weeks. 2 weeks from now I get paid. A week and a bit from now we go back to school. School's the only thing that I'm going to have to be able to film. And I'm pretty screwed on that front. What am I going to do? Seriously? I'm not going anywhere just now, so I can't get any footage. I've got no content. I'm running out of time. This is already October. I'm only scheduled to like the 2nd of December. I need to crack out the video so that I'm already in January, but I haven't got that yet. Pussy, pussy. What a fucking big pussy. Oh, you bastard. Hi, Misty. Good girl. She's content. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Parcel. Milo. So I was on the internet and I found this. And I happen to believe that that is a highly detailed replica. And it is very good. And it cost me about 20 Great British pounds. But for now, that is the end of another video. Thank God, I finally feel like I'm getting back on track now. Although I've only made one video that's gone over 4 days. Need to get the motivation back, need to get outside. Look at the weather, it is fantastic. My window's a bit dirty though. Need to get out there and get some stuff done. Tarkan gets home today, Andrew should be up tomorrow. All things are good.